Hi guys, my name is Gabriel and this is my first video on affiliate marketing. So I'm going to pretty much be showing you what it takes to get yourself involved in affiliate market business and how to earn from it. And in this video, you're going to watch how to get started and how to get registrations done in the affiliate market. So first and foremost, there are a lot of companies out there looking for affiliate partners, waiting for myself, waiting for you, waiting for your friends to come on board and market their products. So for this video, I'm going to be making use of Jumia.com. As you can see, this is Jumia.com.ng. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm pretty much using Nigeria, Jumia's platform. So if you go down to the bottom of the site, you will see become an affiliate partner. And once you click on it, it it gives you a form to fill where you can register to join their affiliate business. Now, this is pretty much the straightforward procedure. You register, you advertise, you get paid, and whatever. So this is pretty much how to join the Jumia affiliate markets. You become an affiliate by clicking on this link, and let's just see the form that it brings up. So this is a form it brings out. You give them your first name, your last name, your email, your mobile number, your country, and your website. Now, the website here is a store that you need to show them that this is what you're going to be using to market their products. Now, if you don't have any website, which is what my major focus for today relies upon, because this is the first thing needed for you to become an affiliate market. Now, you need to have either a website or a social media account. However, a lot of companies out there make use of social medias, but also a lot of them, like as you can see here, make use of websites. So this Jumia now, they are not telling you that uh, you can use social media to market their products. Yeah, simply telling you to use a website to market their products. So you can have a blog or whichever. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a store product refer. Now, what they simply do here is they created a store that enables you to register on their platform, and they give you your own website link which you can use to register for affiliate markets. I'm going to give you a sample procedure on how to register on product refer. So when you go to the site, this is product refer, this is their logo, and on product refer they simply tell you you can we refer you to products, we refer you to best deals, to reliable services and reliable investments. Now, product refer they don't only deal on products. They also deal with services. Like if you're a lawyer, you want to refer someone to a law consulting firm. They also deal with investments. Like if you're into forex trading and you need people to come and sign up, so you can refer anything on product refer. So all you simply need to do to join the program is to click on the sell button, and it gives you a vendor login details or registration, the form, sorry, for you to register or to log in. So I'm going to click on vendor registration, and this is the form it brings up, and you just need to fill your details. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using a dummy pseudo name to complete this registration form. These are email and details which I created just for this video making uh, stuff. So without further ado, let me go straight to the point. My first name here is Money. I'm going to be using Money as my first name. So here we have it, Money. And my last name is Man. My phone number, pretty much I'm going to be using a dummy phone number. Let me say 090-888-679-0113. Oh, that's too long. Okay, so let me just leave it at this. Yeah. Address. Let me say, I know a town called Warri, so let me say Warri. And shop name, that's the name my store is going to be bearing. Let me say police. No, let me go with Money Man money.com. I like money. My shop number, the shop number is just the number. I mean that the is an identification number. Then registration number. If you have a registration number, if you have a really legit company that I mean is licensed, you can put in your license number in there. I mean it's not compulsory. Then owner name, which is your name. I'm taking my name as Moneyman. So my store name is Moneyman. Then shop address. Where is your shop located? Let me say Nigeria. I must warn you, you need to put a lot of real legit information in here because once in a while, product refer actually do some verifications. So they will need to verify most of the information you're putting in there. So my message here is welcome to Moneyman. And password, I'm going to give myself a password and yep, and yep. And then this code, I like to refresh my code just in case network has uh, in my country we struggle with network sometimes. So give me a good what's wrong with this my network? uh I don't know. Let me just click on register. Please include an asterisk and email address. Was this email? I thought that was. Oh, that's email address. Sorry. Okay. Man at man. Let's go. Mm, okay. Finally, let me refresh this. My network seems to be slow. Uh, come on. Okay, so we have it here as 4IA7DC. Register. It's processing. Yep. So I have my store. I store money, and my name is Money. And my email man@man.com, phone number and address, and yep. So the next straightforward thing for me to do is I need to start selling. So I'm going to select a plan. I'm going to select a plan, and these are the plan product Refer has. Now they have ultimate, professional, amateur, premium, standard, regular, basic, and free. Now, just to guide you a little bit in your subscription plan budget, the amateur, professional, and ultimate they have to do with years. I mean, like ultimate, you can see here it's for 5 years, professional 2 years, amateur a year. Now, if you're looking at premium, standard, and regular, premium is 1 year but limited number of products. I forgot to mention for amateur, professional, and ultimate, you have unlimited products. But for premium, you have 500 products. For standard, you have 300 products and lasts for 9 months. Regular, you have 100 products to upload and 6 months. The basic, you have 50 products and lasts for 3 months. Now, on my real store, like I have a store here on Product Refer, which I use. On my real store, I actually went in for the premium plan, which is for 1 year, 500 products. But that's pretty much because I'm just starting affiliate market. I intend to go to it for amateur plan as I progress. But for the trial period, I'm pretty good with 500 products for a year, first of all. And let me see how it goes. I mean, upgrade and maybe into professional. Let me just see how it goes. So for this, my registration procedure to test how product refer works, I'm going to go with free. and this is it. I click on get started, and having clicked on that, my store is going to be created for me with the name which I gave to products refer to create my store. So this is my package details: free, $0, 30 days, product allowed is 5. Yes, I must tell you, for the free version, you have to upload just 5 products. And once I click submit, voila, vendor account activated successfully. And now let me go to my store. If I click on dashboard, oh sorry, vendor panel. I'll just go to vendor panel. Yeah, vendor panel. So this is where I upload. This is my vendor panel. This is where I upload. This is my dashboard. This is where I upload my products. If you want to do bulk uploads using Excel, this is where you can do it. If you want to do settings, banners, social links, services, whichever. And let me take you straight up to my store. So this is my unique referral link here, and I don't have any products at the moment, so no product found. So now I can use this link, just simply copy this and go to Jumia and I dump it in here. So that's going to be my website. I mean, if you click on this, if you click on that website, it takes you straight up to my store. Yep, straight up to my store. So with this, you can begin your process, your journey into the affiliate market business, having the fact, being the fact that you now have your website to promote whichever product you choose to promote. All right. See y'all. If you have any questions, you can drop in the comments and I'll attend to them as they come. Thank you.